Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem which is even, odd, positive and negative. So first of all you have to read the question, and then if you understand the example accurately you have no, so it's okay, you have not to read the question. So first of all you have to copy the input, so and paste here. If you see the example you can see that first of all they input a number, and then they input 5 number, input the same input 5 number, and then in the output they give even, odd, positive, and they calculate what the amount of even, odd, negative and positive and negative. So if we copy the note and paste here, you can see that here first of all here is three even numbers are 0, -4 and 12. So here number of even is 3, and then you can see odd number here, odd number is -5 and -3. So the account, if you count their add number is 2, and then it's talk about positive. So if you go see the positive number, you can see there's only one positive number which is 12. So here positive is only one, and then negative. So if you see the note, if last line, so you can see that here negative number, here or negative number is -5, -3 and -4. So the amount of here number is 3. So here the answer is printed negative is 3. So if you can ask me how can you do this, solve this problem, first of all you have to take 4 variable uh, which are even, odd, negative and positive. So you already know the uh, condition of even. So if we take a variable which is k, if k mod 2 is equal to 0, the here should be even, the number should be even. So for this we write even is equal, plus is equal to 1. So then, so if the program don't, or the number do not maintain this condition, then it should be go to else, and then out increase the odd number. So then we write odd plus is equal to 1, and after that go to positive and negative. So you can see that if the number is greater than 0, it's positive number. So you can say that k is greater than, when k is greater than 0, we increase the value of positive. So we write positive plus is equal to 1, and then start is time from negative. So if k is less than 0, we increase the value of negative. So we write neg plus is equal to 1. Sorry, it should be 1. So then here we go to the VS Code, and then we input a number int n is equal to sc dot next int. After that we take a loop which is for loop, and here we take a new variable which is start from 0, and ending is I less than n, and it increases 1 by 1. For this reason we write I plus plus, and then we input another variable which is k, and its type is integer. So we write int k is equal to sc dot next int. So then we take uh, those four variables which call even, odd, positive and negative. So we also initialize those variable, so we write int, so we have to write int even is equal to 0 semicolon, and then int odd is equal to 0 semicolon, and int positive is equal to, we write pos, it means positive, we mean like positive, then we write int pos is equal to 0, and then negative int neg is equal to 0. So then we go to the conditions. First of all, we write if k mod 2 is equal to 0, then it increase the value of even, so we write even plus is equal to 1. So we have to write even plus is equal to 1, and then what can we do, we have to write else. If the code, the number don't maintain the previous condition, the yeah, odd, the value of odd should be increased, so we write odd plus is equal to 1, and then we write for positive. So if k is greater than, if k is greater than 0, then the value of the positive should be increased by 1, so we write pos plus is equal to 1, and then it's time for negative, so we write else if k is less than, k is less than 0, then the value of negative should be increased, so we write neg plus is equal to 1, and at last is it's time for output statement, so we write shout, and we and a presenter uh, which shows system dot out dot println. We write this the same thing four times, because we we so we want four line output. Then first of in the bracket, in the first line we write mm, even and plus even, the value of the even, then in the same process we also write those lines like negative, odd, negative, positive, and in the last we write negative. It seems even, odd, positive, and at the end, in the end we write negative. So let's go. What can we have to save the, first of all we have to save the code, control by control s, and then we run the program. And before we copy the example and run the run the program and paste the program here, paste the example here, so then you can see what happened. So we paste here, then you can see the answer is most probably same, but in case in the is not same about negative, it is it's one. So there I make a little mistake, because I write negative plus is equal to 0, so we have to write, I have to write negative neg plus is equal to 1. So we correct this mistake. So then again we save the code and run it and paste the example here. So you can see the example is same. Even is a 3 and odd 2, positive 1 and negative is 3. So then we copy, select all, and then copy the code and go to the submit code, and after that we paste the code here and click into the click to the submit button. So you can see what happened there. So it's accepted. So thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.